Are you tired of losing important tasks in your messy Jira backlog? Learn how to flag any issue in under 30 seconds. So here's the thing. If you manage a busy Jira board, you know the struggle. You've got a dozen issues in progress, but a few of them are stuck, waiting on a designer, waiting on a code review, or worse, you just don't know which ones are blocked. Adding a flag is the quickest way to make those tasks stand out. And I'm going to show you exactly where to click to add a flag, from opening your project to confirming the flag on any issue. All right, let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Jira account. You'll land on your dashboard, which shows your most recent projects and assigned tasks. Now, don't overthink this step. Just open Jira in your browser and sign in like you normally would. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project from the left panel. You'll see a list of your recent projects right there. Click on the one you're working on. On this particular board, I've got a few tasks that need attention, so let's pick one that's been sitting around a little too long. Now, click on the specific issue you want to flag. Just click on the task or issue title. This opens a detail panel on the right side of the screen. You don't need to open the full issue page for this. The side panel works perfectly. And this is where the magic happens. Look at the top right corner of that issue panel. Do you see those three little dots? Click on them. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. Now, pay attention to this one because it's easy to miss if you're in a hurry. From that drop-down, select Add Flag. Just one click and you are done. And here's the really important part. Check that a flag icon now appears on the issue. You'll see a small red flag next to the task name, both in the side panel and on your actual board. That flag is now visible to anyone looking at your project. Your team can instantly see that this task is blocked or needs urgent attention. In my experience, this simple visual cue saves teams hours of status update meetings. Now, what if you need to remove the flag? Maybe that blocker got resolved. No problem. Go back to those three dots in the top right of the issue panel. Click them again, and this time select Remove Flag. The flag icon vanishes, and the issue goes back to normal. It's really that simple. But here's a nice shortcut you might not know. You can also flag directly from the board view itself. Instead of opening the side panel, just right-click on any issue card on your board. A context menu will pop up with the option to add a flag. This is faster if you're scanning through several tasks and want to tag a few of them in seconds. I use this all the time when I'm grooming the backlog. So there you have it. You went from losing track of critical tasks in a cluttered Jira board to instantly flagging and prioritizing issues for your team. A tiny red flag on a task can make a huge difference in how quickly your team notices what needs their attention. Give it a try on your own board and see how much smoother your workflow feels.